Let me ask you something most men have never heard from a doctor. What if there was a tiny spot on your body no bigger than a coin that could naturally restore blood flow, increase sensitivity, and bring back your performance and confidence, no matter your age? Sounds unbelievable, right? Maybe even a little awkward. But this is real physiology confirmed by both traditional medicine and modern science. Your body already has the switch. No one has ever taught you how to turn it on. I'm Dr. Clarke, a board-certified urologist with over 10 years of experience helping men regain vitality and function without pills or procedures, just smart, natural methods that work with your body. So stay with me. Because what I'm about to show you could help you feel like yourself again, stronger, more responsive, and more confident. Before we dive in, hit like if you believe men deserve real solutions. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? Most men believe performance slows down simply because they're getting older. They think hormones are dropping, energy is fading, and that this decline is just part of aging. But here's the truth. Age isn't the real problem, circulation is. Think about how much time you spend sitting every single day. At the office. In the car. Watching TV. Scrolling on your phone. Hour after hour, year after year. All that sitting tightens the pelvic muscles, the same muscles that control blood flow, nerve response, and sensitivity. And when those muscles stay tense for too long, it's like putting a kink in a garden hose. The water is still there. It's just not reaching where it needs to go. That constant pressure reduces blood flow, numbs the nerves, slows down responsiveness, weakens overall performance. So men start noticing changes. Delayed reactions. Less strength. Fading confidence. And they blame age, when the real issue is mechanics, not masculinity. But here's the good news. This is completely fixable. When you relax those muscles and restore circulation, the body wakes up again. Sensitivity returns. Strength returns. Confidence returns. Your system isn't broken. It's just been under pressure for far too long. And when we release that pressure, your body knows exactly how to respond. Now let's talk about the area that can change everything. It's a small, often ignored spot located between the scrotum and the anus. In medicine, we call it the perineum. But you can think of it as your body's circulation control center. It might look like just a patch of skin. But right underneath it is one of the densest networks of blood vessels and nerves connected to your prostate, bladder, and performance. When this spot is gently stimulated, the pelvic muscles begin to relax. Blood vessels naturally open wider. Oxygen-rich blood reaches areas that have been ignored for years. And here's the scientific magic. This stimulation helps your body release nitric oxide, the same molecule responsible for blood vessel dilation and strong responsiveness. It's the exact mechanism many medications try to copy, without any of the side effects. Men who practice this consistently often notice better morning energy, fewer nighttime bathroom trips, improved bladder control, a steady return of sensitivity and strength, overall confidence rising again. I had a patient named Mark, 59 years old, who told me he felt like he was aging faster than he wanted. Low energy, weak responsiveness, and interrupted sleep were draining his quality of life. But after just a few weeks of applying this simple technique daily, he came back to my office and said, "It feels like my body woke up again. I didn't realize how much I was missing until it returned." That's what happens when you restore what your body has been asking for all along. Flow. So now that you know why this spot matters, let me show you exactly how to activate it safely and effectively. You don't need any medical tools or complicated techniques, just 60 seconds of consistency. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit on the edge of a chair with your knees slightly apart. Or lie down on your back with your knees bent. The goal is to keep your lower body relaxed, no tension. Step 2. Locate the area. Use your fingers to gently feel the soft area between your scrotum and your anus. You'll notice it has a slightly different sensation than the surrounding skin. That's perfectly normal, and that's the exact spot we want. Step 3. Apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle finger together. Press firmly enough to feel it, like checking if a tomato is ripe. But not enough to cause pain or discomfort. Step 4. Begin the massage. Make slow circular motions for about 30 seconds. Then switch directions or use gentle press and release movements. For another 30 seconds. You are stimulating, not forcing. Let the muscles soften, let blood flow return. Step 5. Add a natural oil, optional but powerful. A little oil helps reduce friction and increases benefit. Castor oil boosts circulation and eases inflammation. Coconut oil soothing, antibacterial, supports hormone balance. Black seed oil traditional remedy for male vitality and tension relief. Warm the oil between your palms first, warmth helps absorption and relaxation. Step 6. Choose the best time. Morning, supports blood flow and energy for the day. Evening, relaxes tension and improves sleep quality. Either works, choose the time you'll be consistent with. And remember, just 1 minute a day. Don't overdo it. With techniques like this, consistency is far more powerful than intensity. Within a couple of weeks, you may start noticing easier movement, calmer hips, better sleep, and improved responsiveness. Your body loves this kind of attention. And it responds quickly. Let's talk about why so many men feel stuck relying on pills. Most medications are like a temporary electrical boost, they try to force performance for the moment. But they don't fix circulation, they don't retrain muscles. And they don't restore the nerves that control sensitivity and response. So what happens? Your body starts depending on that artificial push. The underlying mechanics, the actual root problem, stay the same. Tight pelvic muscles. Restricted blood flow. Blocked oxygen delivery. Slowed nerve signals. That's why results fade or become unpredictable. But this simple 1-minute technique does the opposite. It relaxes the pelvic floor. It restores natural circulation. It reactivates those dormant nerves. It teaches your body to respond again, on its own. You're not forcing a shortcut. You're reminding your system how to work the way it was designed. I had a patient, let's call him David, mid-50s, extremely stressed, and losing confidence fast. He told me, it felt like my body forgot how to respond. Just a few weeks into practicing this consistently, he said something that stuck with me. For the first time in years, I trust my body again. That is the power of working with your biology. Not against it. Here's something most men never learn. When you're stressed, your nervous system switches into fight or flight mode. Your brain pulls blood away from the pelvis, because survival comes first. And over time, if stress becomes constant, circulation weakens, nerves become sluggish, and energy drops. That's why even healthy men can suddenly notice slower responsiveness, poor sleep quality, fewer morning signs of vitality, a quiet decline in confidence. This 1-minute massage, combined with slow breathing, sends a completely different signal. You're safe. Relax. Send the blood back where it belongs. Restore and repair. As the pelvic muscles loosen, oxygen returns, and the nerves begin to fire normally again. Men often report better sleep, stronger morning energy, calmer mood, a natural return of confidence and control. And let me be absolutely clear. There is nothing strange or embarrassing about this. This is simply medical self-care for one of the most important systems in your body. Now, if you want to multiply your results, there are 2 simple habits that work hand in hand with what we've already learned. Number 1, a 5 to 10 minute walk after meals. This boosts circulation and keeps blood sugar steady. 2 major keys for healthy performance and long-term stamina. Number 2, slow rhythmic breathing. When you breathe deeper into your diaphragm, it gently massages the pelvic organs from the inside, helping the nerves relax and the vessels open wider. When these 3 habits work together: 1-minute perineum stimulation, short post-meal walks, slow belly breathing, you're no longer chasing temporary fixes. You're rebuilding a system. This is how you create lasting improvement in flow, sensitivity, response time, confidence in your own body. It's not a boost. It's not a gimmick. It's a shift in identity. You're taking control back. You're teaching your body to thrive again, not struggle. And the best part? You can start today. So here's my challenge to you. 21 days. Just 1 minute a day. You'll be amazed what your body can rebuild in that short time. Week 1, subtle changes, better sleep, more relaxed feeling. Week 2, noticeable improvement in energy and responsiveness. Week 3, real, measurable confidence returning. Because when circulation comes back, confidence comes back. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. It just needed the right support. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and alive again. And now, you know exactly how to make that happen. Your body remembers how to thrive. Now it's time to remind your mind. Backhand index pointing down if you're joining the challenge, comment ready or tell me which habit you'll start tonight. And subscribe for weekly science-backed men's health tips that put control back in your hands.